Describing places. 1.
What's your flat like?
It's quite modern, but it's cosy.
2.
How big is it?
About 75 square metres.
3.
How many rooms are there?
A kitchen diner, a living room and a bedroom.
4.
What size is the kitchen?
4 metres by 2.
5.
Which floor is it on?
The 4th.
6.
Which part of town is it in?
It's south of the river.
7.
How far is it to the shops?
Just a 5-minute walk.
What make is it?
Sony.
2.
How much does it weigh?
1.3 kilograms.
3.
What's it made of?
Carbon and titanium.
4.
What's this button for?
It turns it on.
5.
How big is the screen?
13.2 inches.
6.
How long is the battery life?
8 hours.
7.
What size is the hard disk?
80 gigabytes.
Tape script 6.9. In a department store. 1.
Morning.
Hello, I'd like to try on these shoes, please.
Certainly, sir. What size do you take?
9. That's 41, isn't it?
No. I think you'll find 43 would be more comfortable, sir.
2.
Have you got these football shorts for age 10 to 11?
I'm afraid that's all we have. We've sold out of that size.
Will you be getting any more in?
We should be getting a delivery by the end of the week.
3.
Do you have any sofas like this in stock?
No, madam. They all have to be ordered.
How long does delivery take?
It all depends, but on average about 8 weeks.
4.
Yes, madam?
I'd like this fruit bowl, please.
Certainly. Is it a present?
Yes, it is.
Would you like me to gift wrap it?
Oh, that would be lovely. Thank you so much.
5.
I like this.
How does it feel?
Really good. I love the colour, but the size is wrong. It doesn't fit me. It's too tight.
Shame, it really suits you. What's it made of?
Cashmere. It's so soft.
6.
Yes, sir?
I'll have this coffee maker, please.
Certainly. Have you got a store card?
No, just a debit card.
That's fine. PIN number, please? Keep your receipt. That's your guarantee.
How long is it guaranteed for?
For a year.